Look, it's coming along. This is track number 5. And I don't know if you could tell. So we're back out here today. Remember the front entrance of the fence from the other video. Look at it now. I'm not going to go back there towards the back because we're actually cutting way in the back right now, but I just want to let you see the landscape is not exactly flat. It kind of like dips a little bit towards the creek. So that's the way the water probably runs off the property. But it's still a lot I could do with this. It looks really good. I can actually see the creek from here too. Let me see if we can walk up to it. Oh, so the creek comes all the way down to the road. You see that? I don't know if you could tell, but the creek comes all the way out to the road. Yep, it sure does. Well, there's like a part you could actually walk on, but right here, it's a big dip. See, the road is all the way up here, and there's a big dip. I wonder what I could do about that. Because I even see some erosion going on with the property. But it's looking really good. Especially in the winter with all the leaves gone, it's probably easier to come out here. I'm sorry, y'all, I got a little bit of cold, but I got a cough drop for my throat. But yes, because of the winter, it's easier to come out here and forestry mulch. All the leaves are on the ground, and you know, it's easier for the machinery to go through some of these trees, but it's coming along quite nicely. It's coming along quite nicely. Oh my gosh, some of these trees are beautiful. They're kind of big. I don't think I want them there though, because this would actually be a good spot, if not for the home site, for some corn or cotton or something like that. You could actually now see my neighbors really good. So yeah, this is an updated video, and I'm really loving how everything is turning out. It is beautiful, y'all. It is beautiful. So remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.